Today we will talk about Reliance Nitro and how we can change the application at runtime using an API that we provide to all of our customers. This tablet is an ordinary Nexus 7, and on it we've installed Datalight's Reliance Nitro software on the data partition. We're running Linux version 3.10 and Android KitKat. Okay. The approach we use in Reliance Nitro is to assure data integrity using dynamic transaction point technology. Similar to a database, all modifications to the media will happen in a working state, leaving a known good state unchanged. This ensures that the system can instantly recover in the event of an unexpected shutdown. Once a transaction point occurs, all the data is flushed and the working state becomes the new known good state. Transaction points can be set for file system operations such as file create or file truncate or file delete, timed intervals, or even generated manually by an application, as we do with this demo application. Transactions may also be suspended completely and then resumed later to handle situations such as a system update. Setting a transaction point for all these operations minimizes the data at risk in the case of a power interruption. Now I'm going to reset the transaction points and then run a performance benchmark. RL Benchmark is one of a handful of performance measurement tools that are freely available on the Google Play Store. It's designed to run a series of SQLite operations, timing the individual results and displaying those times and the overall totals. The Android environment uses SQLite for most configuration and file storage, and thus overall performance of the SQLite operations is a good measure of the overall device performance. We are using RL Benchmark to measure the speed of these SQLite operations, and will measure again after changing the configuration settings. So this took 48 seconds, generating a total of 15,796 transactions. Now we'll optimize for performance by creating transaction point for just some of the operations. Remember, this affects only the data in memory. What is on the media is safe. The benchmark is still making calls to the file system, and our software is collecting these calls instead of repeatedly hitting the media. Writing these collected operations results in a reduced random I/O, a faster throughput, and less writes to the media overall, without losing any reliability characteristics. This uses less power and results in a longer lifetime for the eMMC media. The key here is that the system designer can choose which file operations are critical to their use case and how much reliability they need or their customers need. So instead of 49 seconds, we end up at only 36 seconds. Instead of 15,000 transactions, only 5,000 transactions. Once the best configuration is determined, these flags can be stored and then incorporated into a Reliance Nitro configuration file. Our demonstration today was designed to show how Datalight's Reliance Nitro configuration can be changed at runtime and how performance can be balanced with data at risk, providing the best user experience. For more information on our configuration options and settings, see our recent white paper, linked below, or contact our sales staff to set up an evaluation. Thank you.